Hey guys, Tim Trevathan here. It's hot summer day today. I'm over here looking at Hosch Reserve here in Buford, and this is the floor plan I'm looking at. It's a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom house called the Glenville, 3,205 square feet. There's gonna be 2 other floor plans called the Magnolia and the Thompson that are a little bit bigger than this. One's gonna be around 3,500, the other's gonna be around 3,300 square feet. Those are being built later on this same street, but as of right now, this is the closest to being finished for the biggest floor plan. What I like most about it, as you can see, we'll see in the video later, if not now, with bedrooms having their own dedicated bathroom. So you don't have to share it like some big families having to wait for the kids to use it. Here's a walk-in closet. It's like amazing here. But that's one of the benefits of this home being in the square footage range that it is. You're able to get a bathroom per bedroom. So let's take a look at some more.
So what did you guys think? those are two of the floor plans, the Glenville and the Orchard that I just showed you guys. Hope you guys like them. And there was another video that I did before this that I really go into detail of the community. This video is more so of the actual floor plans as well as outside the community, and this is what this part is about next. Seckinger High School, which is what this neighborhood is zoned for. You can see here what it looks like from the outside. Again, it's only been around for a few years, so it's a fairly new school compared to the rest of what's in Gwinnett County. And you can see the streets here. It's a nice looking country road. This is what you can expect when you're driving to this community Hosch Reserve. But it's not a long stretch of road where it looks like this. This is just the road to get to Hosch Reserve, what it looks like. But just minutes away, you are next to the Gravel Springs Road exit that gets you to Interstate 85. And only about 3 years ago was this Gravel Springs exit created. So it's a new interchange that was just opened up 3 years ago. So it's a pretty good accessible point to everything that you can find in Metro Atlanta, basically. You're also close to Hamilton Mill Road exit, which has got a lot of shopping and dining options. Right off of there, you got several fast food restaurants, a Publix, and you've got different kinds of coffee shops and other restaurants that you could check out. So there's a lot that are nearby. It's just the road that gets you to Hosch Reserve. It looks like a country road, but again, don't be deceived. Just a few minutes away, you get to see all of civilization. Hope you guys like this video. Like, subscribe. Check out the other one if you haven't already, part 1, and catch you on the next one.